Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear students, till the last lesson हमने कितने नंबर किए हैं? Let's recall them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What comes next? What number next after the number 4? Yes, it's the number 5. And you can see we have 5 fingers on our hand. Dear students, how number 5 look like? Let's see number 5 on page number 17 of your book. This is number 5. Dear students, say with me, number 5. Let's trace with your finger. Draw a small line, left to right, then a long down line, and make a curve. So 5 say hello. Now look here, this picture on page number 17. We see 5 gifts. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good, students.